What is SAP MM? Anyone have an idea? What is MM? Guys, what is MM?
Material management.
Yes. Okay. Who can learn SAP MM? Anybody can learn SAP and does not matter whatever your background. Okay, means anyone can learn this SAP MM, whatever your background. If you have stores knowledge, if you have purchase knowledge, if you have production knowledge, okay, that is not a matter. We can learn. If you have purchase and inventory knowledge, that is preferred but not mandatory. Means if you have that knowledge, that is preferred. In this training, you will learn everything from scratch. Scratch means starting to ending. You will understand SAP not only configuration, from business point of view also we can discuss. Okay, like business, how procurement will be start, where it will be start, and where it will be end. The only expectation from you is your desire and commitment to learn. Okay, this is all about who can learn SAP MM. I'm telling one thing. Actually, Siddha, do you understand Telugu?
Sir, like if English is better, sir.
No. I'm just asking. Okay, why? Because
yeah, sir. Little bit I will.
Yeah, if you don't understand, like I'm just informing to the all people.
Yes, sir.
We can discuss our day-to-day classes in English only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Don't like if any critical scenarios is there, that time I will explain in Telugu. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Don't expect. No, I'm not about you, Siddha. Actually, remaining people,
Yeah.
Telugu people. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What I'm telling to Sai, okay, and remaining people, Pawan and all, okay, any complex scenarios will be there. That time we can discuss in Telugu and all, but not every time. Please try to understand why, because that is not good for our career in future. If you join any big MNCs and all, okay, every day you have to communicate with the clients in English only. Okay, please try to understand. Yes, Sai. Hello, Sai.
Sir, చెప్పండి.
No, you can mute, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Whenever I ask any query, you have doubt, you just raise your query, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, all are okay, right? Whatever we discuss now, okay? Regarding,
Yes, sir.
okay. So why? Because some people expect we can discuss in only Telugu, okay? I have observed most of the people, any complex scenarios is there, that time we will discuss in Telugu. Not every time. I think all are okay, right? Jeevan, Pawan, Vinita.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Comfortable.
Okay. In this training, you will learn everything from scratch. Okay, this is over. Next, SAP is the ERP tool. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. Try to unmute, like mute your this one voice and all. Whenever you have queries, you have doubts, please raise your query and ask. Okay, after that you can mute. Okay, actually SAP is the ERP tool. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay, what is enterprise? Okay, enterprise means organization or firm or company. Okay, resource means manpower and material. Planning means execution. Okay, one organization, suppose they are manufacturing pipes, they are manufacturing automobiles, they are manufacturing wire, they are manufacturing steel. What they are doing? Resource means manpower. Using manpower and material, they start doing the manufacturing execution activities. Okay, that's why we can call it as a ERP. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. One organization, what they will do? Okay, they start like using manpower and material, they start doing the manufacturing execution activities. That's why we can call it as a ERP. ERP means enterprise resource planning. Why is ERP required? ERP, why required means it's an integration of business process. Okay, means whenever you are working any ERP tools, okay, it's linking one module linking with another module like finance, production, sales, accounts, payroll, okay, sales, next warehouse and all. Means integration is there. And also standardization of the system across the location. Wherever you go across the India, across the world, the system standardization is unique. Anywhere you can log in and start doing your day-to-day activities. Only languages will be different. If you are going for China, the language will be Chinese. If you are going for Germany, German. But English should be must and should. Okay. Like suppose some user they don't understand in English. In those cases, okay, they will use Germany language, Chinese and all. But in our Indian companies, USA, Australia, okay, Singapore and all, English is mandatory for doing day-to-day activities. And also it will be control all your organization in a better aspects. Better controlling of different business process like procure to pay, order to cash, record to report, plan to produce. Okay, different business processes are there. Okay, procure to pay means you are procuring the material. After that, you are doing the GR payment. Okay, then invoice and payment. In case of sales module, what will happen? Inquiry, quotation, sales order creation. Then we have to supply the goods to the customer. Once supply material goods to the customer, we have to do the invoice, sales invoice. And also better reporting system. Best utilization of resources like manpower, material and messages. Using these advantages, we are going for ERP tool. Hope all are clear this slide.
Yes, sir.
Remaining guys, Pawan, Sai, Vinita, right? Vinita,
Yes, sir.
Jivan. Okay.
Yeah, yes, sir. Understood.
Next, ERP products in the market. Like we have SAP, Oracle, Bond, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Marshall, and Microsoft Dynamics. One second, guys. Okay, like we have different ERP products. SAP, Oracle, Bond, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Marshall, and Microsoft Dynamics. Out of these ERP tools, SAP is occupied more than 70 to 80% market share. Okay, is used medium and large scale industries. Okay, like BHEL, cement industry, chemical industries, okay, automobile. These are the industries SAP will use. Okay, after that Oracle used medium scale industries, small to medium scale. Bond used like small scale industries. Whoever turnover is less than 1 crore, less than 10 crores, they will go for okay, like a Bond, PeopleSoft and all. PeopleSoft mainly used for HR related applications like payroll and all. Same like that, JD Edwards, Marshall, and Microsoft Dynamics. These ERP tools are used only small scale industries. Okay, whoever turnover. Turnover means company turnover like 1 crore, 5 crores. Suppose if they take SAP, the turnover is 1 crore and all. Okay, for each license they have to pay 1 lakh. Suppose if they require 6-7 licenses, 6-7 means 70 lakhs. Oh, sorry, 7 lakhs. And also maintenance costs all comes to it's around like 15 to 20 lakhs. If they go for SAP, is there any make sense, guys? Suppose is company turnover 1 crore to 5 crores. If they choose SAP, for that all licenses, maintenance cost and all, per year they have to pay 15 to 20 lakhs. Is there any make sense?
No, sir.
Okay, that's why small scale industries they will go for this below ERP tools. People are born and all. Okay, suppose if we go to the SAP, what are the advantages? Why most of the companies they will choose, why 70 to 80% manufacturing companies. Okay, if they go for SAP, it's a user friendly software. SAP is the user friendly software. And also it is integration between other modules also good. Means MM integration with the FICO, production planning, sales and distribution, okay, quality management, plant maintenance, warehouse management and all. Next, auditing point of view. Auditing means every quarterly or every annually, every half yearly, finance people will do the auditing. Is anyone aware of auditing? Guys? Pawan, do you aware of auditing and all? Hello. Okay. Auditing means like all the finance related transactions, like income and outgoing. Okay. When they choose SAP and all, auditing point of view also good. Next to reporting point of view, like purchase reports, production reports, sales reports, accounts reports, quality reports, maintenance reports and all. And also in SAP, all modules are in one folder. That's why we can call it as a consolidated system. Using these advantages, most of the companies, they will prefer SAP and all. 70 to 80%. Main user-friendly software. Okay, clear, right? All? Wait,
Yes.
choose SAP and all. Next, what is SAP? SAP stands for System Applications and Products in Data Processing. We have 10 million users, 32,000 customers, and also we have 1,000 to 1,500 partners. It supports more than 21 industry solutions. Okay, out of these 21 industries, SAP will support or companies choose like oil and gas, pharma industry, beverage industry, automobile industry. Okay, next cement industry, sugar industry, next distillery industry. Okay, food manufacturing industry, aerospace industry, mechanical industries, tiles industry, paper industry, steel industry. These are the industries. Okay, SAP will support, and also most of the companies they will go for SAP and all. Next, SAP is the third largest software company in the world after Microsoft and IBM. In SAP, we are using a R3 system. In R3 system, it's a software package designed to integrate all the areas of business. Means R3 means real-time three-tier architecture. Okay, in real-time three-tier architecture, all the software package integrated all areas of business. It is intended in 1972 by 5 IBM scientists. Okay, means 1972 by 5 IBM scientists, they intended this SAP and all. Who sat into the one room, like 5 IBM scientists, First they introduced into the German market. It's normally SAP is the German based software. Okay, after few years, okay, they will introduce into the other countries as well. From last 50 plus years, we are using SAP Anna. This is all about SAP Anna. Anyone have idea? Anyone have queries? All are clear?
Sir, clear.
Okay. If you have any queries, please raise your query. Okay, don't keep it in mind. Whatever, if it is valid or invalid, okay, just try to ask, open your mouth and ask. Okay, don't keep it in your mind and all. Like in SAP, we are using a R3 system. In R3 system, R3 means a real-time 3-tier architecture. We have presentation layer, application layer, and database layer. Presentation means your mobile, computer, and laptop. Application means your SAP software. Database means once you save the data will be stored to database layer. Okay. Actually, we have to, SAP started with the version 4.0. Okay, like in 1972, like IBM scientists, they started with the version of 4.0, 4.5, 5, 6, 6.5. Now 7 is going on. Okay, actually SAP we are using a ECC. ECC means Enterprise Central Component. What is the difference between ECC and S4HANA? Okay, in ECC, SAP don't have their own database. They has to depend on the Oracle, IBM, DB2 database. Okay, it's a SAP support. It's a GUI based software. GUI means graphical user interface. Okay, when we are going with S4HANA, SAP have their own database, like HANA Cloud database. Normally, in ECC, what will happen? If there depends on the Oracle, IBM, DB2 and all, okay, the servers and all, they have to place in one location. One, food location, maintain temperature and security and all. But in case of S4HANA, all the data it will be stored into the cloud. For cloud, there is no servers required. Okay. Whoever using SAP ECC and all, they have to migrate from ECC to S4HANA. Otherwise, from 2025 onwards, SAP will stop this ECC and all. Okay, that's why most of the companies they are doing migration projects from ECC to S4HANA. In S4HANA, SAP have their own database that is called HANA Cloud database. It supports GUI based URL. URL means it's a www.gmail.com, like that. SAP also they have their own URL. Okay, GUI version and the URL version both are same. This is the GUI means this one. You have to first install the SAP. This is the GUI one. In the laptop or desktop, we have to install this SAP. This is called GUI. Okay, this is GUI.
Sir, I have one inquiry, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, like now we are learning SAP, I think ECC.
No, S4HANA.
Now we are okay, sir. S4HANA, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Why? Because next few from 2025 onward there is no ECC and all.
Okay, sir. Like it will be similar to that existing SAP, sir. S4HANA.
Only server difference. That's it.
Yes, sir. Okay.
This is the ECC. Okay. Suppose this is ECC and this is S4HANA servers and all.
Yes, sir. Remaining everything, T code, everything remains same.
Same.
Yes, sir.
Okay, only 10 to 15% the functionality T codes will be changed. 95%, 80 to 85% the T codes are same. Only business partner, okay, some functionalities they are activated.
Yes, sir.
Extra functionalities. Okay, those things we'll discuss in our day-to-day class. Okay. Next, URL. URL means it's a company URL. Suppose you are carrying laptop. Okay, you don't have that SAP GUI application. Directly you can go to this URL. Okay, you can work your day-to-day activities. Fury. Fury means suppose some people don't have their they are working in the remote locations. They will not carry laptop. They will not carry this one desktops and all. At that time, company people will provide tabs, Samsung or Lenovo or iPad. Okay, they will provide tabs and all. IT team loaded that Fury related application and all. Whenever they received sales order, purchase order, production order and all, what they will do, they will click that Fury tile screen. Okay, here we are not using any transaction code in Fury and all. We are using only tiles. Purchase order tile, production order tile, sales order tile, transfer order, like that. Inbuilt Fury apps. We can use those apps and we can work. Compared to ECC, S4HANA reporting point of view and speed also providing accurate results. This is the difference between ECC and S4HANA. Hope all are clear?
Yes, sir.
Jeevan? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
వినీత అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? హలో వినీత? Okay, right. I don't know. Okay, in SAP, R3 architecture, all the modules are in one folder. Like SD module, MM, PP, quality management, plant maintenance, HR, all are in one folder. We can call it as a consolidated system. Next, modules in SAP. We have functional modules and technical modules. For learning functional modules, you don't require coding knowledge. You require only business knowledge. Okay, like FI. FI is purely related with the finance. CO, HR. HR purely related with the human resources. Okay, SD. Human resources means it's all payroll related, Form 16, bank leave management, travel management. Next, SD mainly deals with the sales and distribution. Okay, ours is a procurement, material management. All procurement, inventory management activities. PP, production planning. All our planning activities. Next, plant maintenance. All maintenance activities. Quality management. Once you produce the material, quality will check the quality of the product. Warehouse management. Extended warehouse management. These are the functional modules, main core functional modules. For learning this one, you don't require coding knowledge. Based on your work experience and your suitability, you can choose the respective module. Next, technical, ABAP, BIBW, Basis and HANA. For learning this module, mainly you require coding knowledge, ABAP, BIBW, HANA. Base is mainly related with the hardware and software. Okay, like security roles. Okay. Next, landscape. Functional and technical is clear, right? Everyone?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Next, landscape. What is landscape? Landscape means it's an arrangement of server. In SAP, if you want to implement any SAP, we require 3 servers: development, quality, and production. Development, what we'll do? We will configure and testing. Okay, used by consultant only. You are a consultant. Quality means once we do the configuration and testing, we have to move the request to the quality. In quality, who will do? End user or power user. Okay, once they do the testing, we have to move the request to the production system. Set live system. Okay, we have to perform day-to-day activities in SAP. Okay, development, quality, and production. Clear this one? Suppose if you implemented any new software, you cannot work directly in the production system, right? First, you have to do some testing, configuration and all, right? Correct, na? SAP also, we have to do same like that. Guys, clear, na? Everyone?
Yeah, yes, sir. Clear. Clear, sir.
Okay. Next, types of users. End user, power user, and consultant. End user means he will execute or he will perform day-to-day business transactions. Super user means if end user facing any issues like purchase order print, sales order print, purchase order reports, sales order reports, okay, they will help. Super user will help end users. Suppose if these super users also not able to resolve their day-to-day activities, they will connect the consultant. Consultant is the coordination between end user and super user. These are the types of users in SAP. If you are going to the consulting field, you are a consultant or end user. Guys, if you are going to the consulting field, like if you join IBM or you join Tech Mahindra, you join TCS, you are a end user or consultant? Guys, speak.
Consultant, sir.
Yeah, Chepala, I'm expecting from you only. Okay. These are the types of users in SAP. Okay, up to here is all introduction. Up to here is everyone clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes, exactly. Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, Jeevan?
Yeah, yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Vinita, clear nama?
Yes, sir.
Okay. అర్థమవుతుంది కదా? Okay. Now we will go to our main topic, MM related. Okay. In SAP MM, we are using a terminology called procure to pay. We are procuring the material. After that, we are paying amount to the vendor. That's why we can call it as a procure to pay. Procurement of, suppose if they are doing production activities, sugar, automobile industry, they are manufacturing BMW, okay, and also any I-20, Hyundai, okay, company related models they are manufacturing. First, they require some spare parts. So require some, tire. First, what they will do? They will procure the components or spare parts from vendor. After that, they will finance people will pay amount to the vendor. Okay, procuring the material and paying the amount to the vendor. That's why we can call it as a procure to pay. Procuring and paying. Clear na concept?
Yes.
Material management function is one of the part of logistics module. It is one of the important module in SAP ERP software and supports the procurement and inventory functions occurring in day-to-day business operations. And in this module, what will happen? It supports all the procurement. Procurement means all the purchase. Inventory means all the store activities in day-to-day business operations. Okay, I think some of the people, they are working in the stores. Pawan, I think you are working in store, right? You and the Sai.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your comes under stores, means inventory.
Yes, sir.
All inventory means stock position, like closing stock, opening stock. Okay, and also material movement from outside to the company inward movement.
Yes, sir.
Outward movement. Okay, and also
Okay.
your physical stock, and also your if you are using any SAP, you have to check the physical stock with the SAP stock. All comes under inventory. And also if you are transferring material from one location to another location, that is transfer postings.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means your mega, I think is existed in different states. Okay, if you want to transfer material from one plant to another plant, also you can do it. Okay, the material management consisting of master data, system configuration, and transaction to complete the procure to pay process. Okay, to do this process, we require all this setup: master data like material master, vendor master, source list, and info record. System configuration like all configurational activities: plant, company code, purchase organization, purchase group, store location, document type. All this comes under configuration. And transactions. Transaction means like purchase requisition, purchase order, GR, IR to complete the procurement process. To do this process, we require all master data, system configuration, and transactions to complete this procure to pay process. Okay, this is the procurement life cycle diagram. Suppose in manufacturing industries, there are so many departments are available, like maintenance, production, quality, purchase, sales, accounts, warehouse, maintenance, and all. Out of those departments, if any of the department has some requirement, what they will do? First, they will determination of requirement in the form of intent. What they will do? They will identify the requirement or determination of requirement in the form of intent. In SAP, we can call it as a purchase requisition. Okay. Maintenance department, what they will do? They will identify the requirement. Okay, out of this department, if any department requirement, they identify like in bearings. This will be taking care of engineering. Suppose if you are working in production, you require some material. If you are working in sales, you require some material from vendors. We will create the request or we are identify the request in the form of intent. SAP purchase requisition. Industry terminology intent. Miriamantar Sai, what we call intent only, right? Hello, Pawan.
Sir?
You require some material. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
people, all people say indent. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How they will create indent? ME 51N.
51 M.
52N change. 53N display. Okay. In SAP, all our day-to-day activities using transaction codes. I will go to the SAP. First, we will create a indent. Okay. Okay, to create a indent, we are using T code ME51N. Okay, T code means transaction codes in SAP. Okay, this is demo class. Now I will just giving some overview about how the procurement and all. No need to worry how this created and all. Those things we'll discuss and from tomorrow onwards. Okay, for today class we'll discuss about overview how the procurement will be there. Okay. Okay. Enter the plan. I have already entered in the first screen. Suppose they require this one bolt, head bolt for maintenance department. They require 10 quantity. Okay. After that, enter the plant. Requisitioner. Suppose if the requisitioner is Siddha, you can enter that. Whoever going to create that indent, they have to enter their requisitioner. Then press enter. Now system asking price. One piece is how much? I'm entering like a 1250. 1250 into 5, how much? Oh, sorry, 10, 12,500. First one is clear, right, everyone? After that, I'm saving. Okay, we will get purchase requisition number. Just copy this one. Okay, enter somewhere. Okay, after that, once purchase requisition is created, we have to approve. Okay, in ME54N. Why approval procedure is means whoever working in the manufacturing department, all departmental heads, they have to aware what they are doing in the manufacturing process. What material purchase, why they are purchasing, and all they have to do. Enter this one. Individual department, they will do the approvals. Stores clerk, purchase, maintenance department, production department, and the last one is the every company, some general managers will be there. Once this information is approved, we have to create save this purchase requisition. First two steps here, everyone is clear? This PR creation and release. Guys, next, once purchase requisition creation and approval has been done, then purchase department will identify the source of supply. Okay, means they will submit some RFQs like quotations and all. If quotation accepted, then we have to create a purchase order. If quotation rejected, they have to send the rejection letters to the vendors. Once vendor selection is done based on the source of supply, purchase order processing is really done. You have to create a purchase order based on the indent or purchase equation. Create PO. ME21N, ME22 and ME23. Guys, clear now? What we'll do? We'll go to the ME21N. Then in drop down, we have to select relevant document type. Supplier. Purchase organization. Purchase group. After that, you have to click the document overview on. You will get all the purchase equations. When you go to the selection variant, in that selection variant, you have to click my purchase equation. You will get all purchase equations. Select this one, click cut off. Okay, here we have to enter the actual price of the material. In the indent, how much price we have maintained? Anyone have an idea?
$12.50.
Yes, correct. Now I am entering 1800. Why? Because indent created 1 month back. PO is creating after 1 month. Price difference will be there, right? Otherwise, 1500. Enter the shipping instruction. And also in the invoice tab, enter the tax code. Manaku, if you are purchasing any material from vendor within the state, we have CGST, SGST, IGST, UGST concept are there. We have to select that particular tax code. I have selected CGST and SGST 2.5%, 2.5%. Is anyone aware of this GST and all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
If you go to the enter, taxes will be calculated from here. Okay. Total is 15,000. Tax will be 750. Why? Because 2.5%, 2.5% CGST and SGST. CGST means Central Goods and Service Tax. SG means State Goods Service Tax. Then you can save this purchase order. Okay, once purchase order creation has been done, okay, all the departmental user, they have to do validation. 2344020062 in ME29. Go to other purchase order, enter the purchase order information. Enter other document. Go to header, approve. Okay, once purchase order release has been done, PO monitoring and approval. Okay, PO monitoring, processing. Then stores department, from here inventory management will come. Up to here, that purchasing process. From here to goods receipt, this comes under inventory management. Stores department has to do the goods receipt against the purchase order. Enter this purchase order. Go to MIGU. We go. In the drop down, select goods receipt. Enter this purchase order. Okay, once they do GR, stock will be coming to the inventory. You have to enter the storage location. Sorry. Different storage location. Post it. Okay, posting only possible in 6 and 7. I think we have to extend that period. MM PV 1000. Why? Because today's date is first, right? Okay, in Indian companies, it will be start the period from April, June, July, August, September, October. Okay. We will check in MMRV. Okay. MMPV. Enter. Posting period. Physical year. And execute. Okay, now we can do the GR. Goods receipt. Okay, once the goods receipt has been done, finance people will do the invoice. Okay. Once goods receipt is done, finance people will do the invoice verification, payment processing. Where MIRO against the purchase order. Enter the invoice date, reference, enter purchase order number, calculate tax, I have to enter tax code as a VP. Okay, enter total amount including tax 15,750. Ikkada enta undo same enter, same amount you have to enter here. Okay, vendor is subjected to the withholding tax. You can remove this one. Why? Because this is not a service vendor, it's a supplier vendor. Go to the basic data. Okay, and enter the HSN code. HSN is aware, right? If you are purchasing any material within the India, within the state, as per government law, every material carrying HSN code. HSN means homogeneous systemized nomenclature number. From HSN code only you will get the GST. Simulate. If you observe, vendor account is credit, GRIR, CGST account is debit. Then post. Okay, our invoice process also has been done. Okay, then finance people will do the payment in F-53. This is the last process. Okay, enter the document date, bank account. Okay, enter the total amount. Back this one. Vendor account. Press enter. Enter the relevant bank account. Select. Okay. Means here we are paying amount to the vendor. Okay, select the relevant bank account. Okay, press enter. Okay, if you observe here, some of the already accounts are there. Whichever relevant, you can post that one. Remaining you can unselect. Okay, we are going to process only 15,750 rupees. That for that amount only we have to settle. Remaining amount you cannot settle. This work and all will be done by finance people. Okay, no need to worry. Once you going to settle that amount, our process will be complete. Okay, amount entered and assigned both are same. Go to document and simulate. Okay, then save it. Your amount is being posted. Okay, means our total procure to pay process completed. Payment processing and all is done. This is all about your procurement life cycle process. You are procuring the material. After that, you are paying amount to the vendor. Is anyone have queries in this one? All are clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Guys, clear, right?
Yes, sir. From my side, I will clear.
Yeah. Okay. This is all about your demo class. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we'll start, day-to-day classes. G1 is clear, right?
Yeah, yes, sir, I have clear.
Okay. Siddha, I think you clear, right, Siddha?
Yeah, sir. Clear.
ఓకే పవన్ అర్థమైంది కదా
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
రైట్ ఓకే విల్ సీ యూ టుమారో థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్ గుడ్ నైట్
Sir.